Now gurus and new, she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
I could take a break from this world, running on a hamster wheel, but searching for something I can't feel. I just wanna be a lost girl and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings spread, levitate above the ground and make eye contact with clouds. Now I'm rising, I'm soaring above it all. I just wanna be free. Finally, finally, finally. I wanna be free. Finally, finally, finally. I wanna be free. Finally, finally, finally. I wanna be free. Finally, 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 finally. I always daydreaming, never imagined I lose my spark. Living in this crazy time, putting back the pieces of my mind. I know how to run from the dark and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings spread, levitate into the clouds. I'm so high above the ground. I'm rising, I'm soaring above it all. I just wanna be free. Finally, finally, finally. I wanna be free. Finally, finally, finally. I wanna be free. Finally, finally, finally. I wanna be free. Finally, 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 finally. Higher to a bird. You, I'm rising, I'm soaring above it all. I just wanna be free. I wanna be free. I wanna be free. I wanna be free.
Okay, y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, specs, and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, y'all, so this unit was sent to me by Geniuswigs.com. Shout out to you, Geniuswigs, for sending me this unit. I really do appreciate it. So the unit that I am rocking is a 13x6 HD lace wig. I do have this unit in 14 inches, and it is 180% density. Now I'm gonna go ahead and go on to their site to see if I can find any more details and specs and stuff about this unit. I do want to mention that this wig is a skin melt lace wig. So as you guys can see, oh girl is like melting. Okay, so I just want to throw that part in, and now we can get into more stuff that they have on their site about this unit. Okay, so on their site, they do have this wig listed as the 13x6 lace front wig, versatility, wet and wavy, 2-in-1, wig straight to curly, revertible, summer wig, human hair, swimming wig. And they do have this wig listed in 10-inch bob style, 12-inch bob style, 14-inch bob style, 16-inch bob style, and then they have it in 10 to 22 inches. And this wig is available in densities 130%, 150%, and 180%. And they do also have it available in a U-part wig. I do have it in, as I mentioned, a 13x6 D-part space glueless cap wig. And they have it in a small, medium, and large cap size. So it just all depends on what you are looking for when it comes to this particular unit. So as I stated, and as you guys have probably seen up until this point, this wig comes as like a kinky straight sort of wig, and then you can convert it to a curly wig as you guys see me rocking right now. So when you first take old girl out of the packaging, okay, when you take her out of the packaging, old girl is a kinky straight wig. Like, it looks really, really natural. It does have an HD lace, so it just has this really, really natural sort of look. But this is a wig that we kind of call a summer wig, okay? And this particular wig is what I call a Gabrielle Union wig, okay? For those of you who are from my generation, you guys remember the brothers, okay? The brothers, when Gabrielle Union came out of the shower and her hair was like this, girl, okay?
Hey, baby. You know, I was hungry. I thought we could go get something to...
I heard the message you left at my father's place tonight.
She got out of the shower, her hair was wet, and her hair was curly. Okay, all of us knew that it was a wig, but we were like, girl, what kind of wig is that you know you pop out the shower and your hair is curly? Like, what kind of wig is that? Give us the deets. That is what I call these type of units. Like, when you take a shower or you get in a pool or whatever with these types of units and you come out looking like this, honey, okay? This is what I call a Gabrielle Union wig. And that's what this particular wig is. But before I get more into that, I want to go ahead and give you guys more details and specs on this wig. So this unit does come with 3 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps. It is a 13x6 unit and it does have HD lace. So with the HD lace, as you guys can see, oh girl just melts. Okay, honey? She just melts, girl. Okay, and as far as the 13x6, as you guys can see, she goes 6 inches back. Honey, she goes back farther than this. Like, she goes all the way back. So that's the 6 inches, and the 13 is like across the front, okay? So this particular unit is a 13x6 frontal wig. As far as shedding and tangling, honey, I ain't noticed none of the things so far, but she is only 14 inches, okay? I don't really expect a lot of shedding and tangling when it comes to units that aren't like super long. So I ain't expect none of the things with old girl, okay? And I did not get none of the things. And yeah, I feel like she looks really, really good despite the fact that she is 14 inches. So yeah. That is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go with this particular unit. Now, if you're interested in what I think about her, how I feel about her, as well as a full 360, because obviously we don't have to do a lint check because, honey, this is it. No Michael Jackson. So if you're interested in any more details and specs, then please continue. Okay, y'all, so honestly, I am really, really feeling this wig. This is one of my favorite types of wigs, honey, and I promise you, nobody does it better than Geniuswigs. I want to say literally they're the only company that I've ever received this sort of unit from. I have had wigs that were straight, that came curly, and they would be like, you know, show them that the curls come back. I've had that. But as far as getting a straight wig and then turn it curly, Geniuswigs does it best in my opinion. I want to say they're the only company that I have ever gotten a wig where it comes straight and I have to convert it curly and it looks like she is looking, honey. She's giving you wet, honey, okay? And this side is basically dry because I did this side first to kind of show you guys curly versus straight, and this side is almost dry. So yeah, like, she's giving you wet. She's giving you curly wet, okay? She is a whole sort of vibe. So I want to say, as far as companies go, this company, to me, in my opinion, does it best when it comes to kinky sort of texture. Converting to this, they do it best, okay? And I feel like when you're African American, you want it to be a kinky sort of unit that converts to this because it gives it a more natural feel. Like, I feel like if it was a different sort of texture, if it was a silky texture, it wouldn't give the same effect as it does when it's a kinky texture that converts to this. And that's what I love about this particular company. Whether you get it in a bob style like this, or if you get it in a longer style, I feel like it looks really, really realistic. And if you're trying to go on vacay, okay, girl, if you want to go on vacay and you want the world to think this is your hair and you walk in there and you got some some kinky straight hair, okay? She's straight, she got the crinkles, she got the stuff that alludes to it being African American hair, and then you get in that poo, and then you step out, and your hair is curly. They're like, hey, if that's what you're looking for, then this is your unit, girl. Okay, this is your unit. Just make sure you have on a certain type of lace glue, girl, because you don't want your wig, you don't want to step out that poo and your wig be in the poo, okay? You don't want that. But if you're looking for that sort of type of illusion, then this is what you want, honey. Okay, this is what you want. So shout out to Geniuswigs for that, because, honey, they give you the things. Okay, they give you all of the things. So yeah, I am really feeling this unit. I think it is a really, really cute wig. I have no issues with it whatsoever. Like, I love this unit, and yeah, shout out to you, Geniuswigs. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360, and so we can wrap this thing all the way. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. Now, honey, you know I can't see the back, so if I miss a spot, and then put that water on certain areas on this particular wig, honey, don't judge me. Okay, don't judge me. But I am definitely loving this particular unit. I am loving the lace on this wig. Everything about this unit is just gorgeous. This is definitely undetectable lace. You cannot beat it with a stick. Like, I don't think anybody, especially when it's in this natural state, would even know that it's a wig. And honey, if that's what you're looking for, then honey, she's giving you all of the things, honey. Shout out to you, Geniuswigs. If you are interested in this wig, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. Once again, shout out to you, Geniuswigs, for this sponsorship. I really, truly appreciate it. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, something you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button so it's not going to cost you not one red cent. And if you're not already follow me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Healthy Miss T on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time.